How to fix iPhone lagging after iOS 18. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you on how you can get rid of lags on your iPhone devices. This is a step-by-step guide so you can follow easily. Now this can happen due to some errors, but most importantly, when installing a new version of iOS, this will go ahead and get more space on your storage devices or on your iPhone storage. Now to go ahead and get rid of the lags and slowness, you want to head over to your system settings, and if we navigate through the general settings right here, click on the iPhone storage. We can then go ahead and see that if we scroll down, for the iOS and the system data, it's taking up more space on our iPhone devices. Now, this can cause lag and slowness if our device right here is almost full. So in order to get rid of those slowness and lagness, you want to delete or offload some applications that you are not using. As an example, let's say that I'm not using this application right here, so I'll just go ahead and click on offload or delete app. You can go ahead and do the same thing for your photos and videos. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.